In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wi-Fi password in V380 camera. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using your V380 camera is simple, and you can change the network settings at any point. To do this, you will open the application and find the camera that is currently connected. If you don't have the camera connected already, then you can tap the Add option here at the top right and follow the instructions. This will allow you to set up a Wi-Fi network because it is going to be your first time use. But if it is already connected here, then what you have to do is go inside of the settings. So tap on the settings icon. Once you go into the settings, one of the categories should be network. So right below general, you will find the network settings attached to this camera. In here, you can now set up the network name and afterwards the password. You will have to input these details, and once everything looks okay, you tap on confirm. You can also choose the option here, change the Wi-Fi station mode. So if you see a list of available networks, you can select a specific one from here. Maybe there are multiple networks nearby, and then once you select the network, you just have to input the password and proceed. If everything looks okay, it is going to be saved and attached to this device. The setup will be done and the camera will appear online here at the home screen. So all that you have to do is go into the network settings inside of the application and choose the proper Wi-Fi network. If it is already connected to one and you only want to change the password, you might be able to do it here as well by choosing this option. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.